been also called out by Miss Azakar, the president of Vicious Curves. And I got my wonder twin to the left. She called us both out at the same daggone time. So we're going to do the ice water challenge. I'm Hello Kitty, aka Snooki, PRO for Ebony Wings. So, are we ready?
We call it out.
I'm ready.
No, the question is you ready?
Oh, I'm sorry. Who I'm calling out? I'm calling out Big Time from Showdown. I'm calling Self, who's been posting everything on everybody's page. I want him to post one of his. I'm also calling out Sweets from Fully Charged. I'm also calling out Joy, the president of Elite Divas.
Yeah.
And finally, I'm going to call out my one and only girl, Joelle, who is an independent diva from Philly. So I want y'all to bring it because I'm freaking out right now. We're out here in the fields and I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh, Wolfie's going to do it. Oh my God. Oh my God.
All three, ready?
Yes. It's like
Not too hard. Not too hard.
Oh, you got You're cold. You're cold.
Woo!
I did it.
I'm recording.
What it do? This your boy Wolf. Doing it for the block. I got called out by Trina. Platinum Dream. Let's see. Doing this ice water challenge. I want to call out BB from Triple Threat. Let's see. I want to call out China. Which one? China Jixxa Chick. Smoking Curves.
Okay,
Let's see what I'm going to call out.
Alright, I'll hit you soon as I get back.
Limelight.
Oh yeah, Limelight's good.
Call out.
From NTD Sisters.
We'll call out Justice.
From Beautiful Minds.
Who she is. Let's see, how many I got? One more left?
Yeah, one more left.
One more left.
Call somebody from the South.
Somebody from the South. I'll be nice and I'll call out one of my brothers. I'm going to call out Vega, Block Burners. You know who you are. You know what you did. You called me sleeping. It's my revenge.
Alright, are you ready?
You're going to donate. You got 24 hours to complete this challenge, or you got to donate $100 to my charity, which is Lupus Foundation. Purple Ribbons for Lupus, DC. And yeah, I do it for the block. Did I say I do it for the block?
He did it.
Yeah, you said that.
I
Do it for the block.
I ain't gonna do it. They put
Do it for the block.
That nigga lost his
Yeah, we got it.
Okay, first who you calling? I know who called you out.
I got it. Alright, I'm Rucker with FAB. I got called out by Bossy B, Ebony Wings. Do this damn challenge. Some bullshit.
You got towel?
But
It's for good cause.
yeah, I got one in the car. So it's for good cause. So I'm calling out Shy from Ladies Emotions. The husband and wife team of franchise Positive Sisterhood. Really though? I'm doing Adorable from Ebony Wings and Jay Smiles from Combat Queens. Alright, I'm ready. What's
I
your
just
charity?
put ice in that
Damn thing!
My charity is House of Rule.
That thing real slow. So if you don't do this, you owe them $100.
And 24 hours. 24 hours.
24 hours.
Here comes the blow.
Real slow.
Here comes the boom.
Real slow.
Wait. Go.
I've been called out by Carmen from 180. I don't know why he did this to me. But I'm calling out, they know who my name is, Vedo. I'm calling out Terran from Hypnotic.
Mac from Masonic.
Cool, Mac.
And sorry, DB, I gotta call you off from K9.
You only won 3? You only got 3?
That was 4.
Oh, it's 4. My bad. You don't have 2 more?
No.
Okay, that's good.
I just want to get it over with.
What's your charity?
Charity of any choice that you want to choose. Any choice. I mean, I need my challenge done in 24 hours too. All right, I'm ready, Wolf.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Good God. He pulled that joint slow.
Oh, no, my shit been marinated. Mocha Diva over there. We'll let y'all know Mocha over there. There she go.
Oh, we have one more.
Mocha.
Mocha